2 years later, it's back. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Tonight, it's 11:15 at night. That's why the door is closed. Can't make too much noise out here. Anyway, tonight we're working on this Craftsman LT1000. I sold this tractor a couple of years ago, actually. Almost immediately after I sold it, well, within a couple of days, I get a call. The belt blew off. So, went over and had a look at it, and there was a full sleeve button-up men's dress shirt wrapped around one of the blades. It stopped the blade from turning and smoked the belt off, so I helped him out. I charged him for a blade, or charged him for a belt, and I did the service call for nothing. And we got him back on the road, back on the grass, cutting grass. So he was happy. Today we're working on a similar problem. The belt blew off. So I go over there and I had a look. Yep, belt, she's gone. And I was over on this side and I reached underneath, checking to see if there was any other articles of clothing under there. And there's nothing. This one spins nice and freely, moves and everything. The other side is solid. So the spindle on that side is not turning. So we're going to drop the deck out. We're going to spin it around so I can work on this side. And we're going to probably just smash those bearings out and put new ones in. I think I might put a tube in this left rear tire too. When I got there, it was flat on the rim, and might be all for this one. Not bad. It's been a couple years, so let's get that deck out of there and see what we can do with those bearings. So I've already done the stuff on the other side, just some clips and disconnect the cable. On this side is very similar. Clip out of the front. There should be a clip in the middle here on these Craftsmans. Yeah, there's that one. That's a lift bracket. There you go. And one at the back here is in a race car world, it'd be called a panhard bar, but it's a link that runs this way, laterally across the tractor. It keeps the deck situated this way. Yep, that should be it. So well, gotta go to the other side now. We'll lift the lifting attachment. So get those rods out of the way for us. No belt to worry about because it's blown off. She gone. And let's get her out of there. It's a 38-inch deck. Seems okay. Nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. How does it move though? Does it move okay? Oh yeah, we're gonna lubricate it anyway. The return spring is on there in place. I'm gonna spray some penetrating all around here anyways. All right, let's see if I can maneuver this without dropping it on the floor. Probably not, maybe. Come on. Oh yeah. Hoi! Oh, almost. Well, that's the wrong way altogether. This side is tight. Can't even move it. Hold the blade. No, it won't even turn at all. Not at all. We're gonna get this nut off of here, drive everything out the bottom, replace the blades, replace the belt. A little bit of spray lube on stuff. So, what size is that? 15/16? No, it's not. It's an AYP deck, so it's not that size. The MTD is 15/16. These are 7/8. Little impact gun. Where's the little impact? There it is. It's late. Wow, that was uneventful. Pulley off, and there's a spacer. It's full of earwigs. It's full of earwigs. You know what? There is something tied around the blade. Oh. What is it? Oh, it's a shirt. I think we have another shirt. We've picked up more apparel. Apparently apparel. It's probably easier to get that off of there by taking the whole jack shaft out. Well, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Let's get the nut back on there. Thread it on most of the way. And I like to put the socket back on it. It's a shouldered nut, so it'll sit on that. Big hammer. Something with some weight to it. A 2-pounder. That's moving. And turning. Now it'll turn. Oh boy. There we go, the shaft's actually coming out. Wow. I can't tell the pattern, but that's your problem. More apparel. Oh, it's right in there too. Here we go. We got her. Bearing actually feels pretty good. Well, that's not bad at all. Oh, there's more. Yep. Thinking it's a lady's shirt. Got a funky pattern on it. Well, let's just... Plate actually isn't that bad yet. Still sharp. Let's see what happens. Why are there no spacers in there? Ah, shouldered shaft, that's why. Can only go in so far because of the shoulder on it. Give her a little bump up with a hammer, a mallet. And let's get her. That's home. Top bearing started to sneak out. Sometimes they just push right in. There we go. That's on, that's on. Pulley. Spacer first. Pulley second. It's got that nut on there. Tight. It's probably going to hit the hoist. There we go. Let's back that off just a little. Just a hair. There you go. Well, that's fine. Spray a little lube in there on the moving parts. Brakes. And we'll call that one done. Wow, I thought it was going to be worse than that. Looks like it might be a short video. Quick repair too. It's good because it's late. I wonder if she wants her shirt back. So it's a little while later, and I started recording this one, but I realized that this card's still in the camera. I never closed out that last Craftsman video. Anyways, 2 years and 2 shirts later, customers got their lawnmower back. They're very happy. Runs good. Nice machine. Nice people to deal with. And it is what it is. Thanks for joining me, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you do subscribe, click the bell. It'll let you know when I upload new stuff. Till the next one, take care.